Hello, hello, hello. I have been working on porting the instantdb library to Swift alongside a fellow compatriot, and I'm working on offline mode. And so, first of all, we want to demonstrate regular online mode is working. And we've actually got some cool stuff to show. Will that go? Not super pleased with this dashboard, but it is open source, so I can fix it. I'm just not going to right now. I suppose collapsing these will make this a lot easier to read. Okay, so as you can see, we can. Ooh, are you not up? There we go. Updating things works locally. We can add a new to-do, adding a demo to-do during Jan 9 demo. There we go. I can click it on my phone. Great, it's done. Awesome, fantastic. Let's see. But the fun part is that we have offline mode. I'm going to show that on my phone. So first of all, I'm going to mark everything as done. So they're all done. Makes it just easier to see. You can see they're all done. I'm going to go airplane mode. Now, oh shit. Why does turning on airplane mode do that? Anyway, okay, we're back. We're in airplane mode, you can see. And then we're going to go boom, 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 boom. And then I'm going to get okay, and you can see that nothing is syncing yet. Okay? And then we're going to make it a little bit more complicated because we're going to say adding a demo to do during January 9 demo. We're going to actually modify, so it shouldn't be done. This should not be done, and its title should be changed. Okay, so you can see this should not be done, and its title should be changed. So it's still done because that's what the server state is, but I've checked it here. So I'm going to go, first of all, I'm going to close the app, and you'll see that local changes are persisted. I don't know if I did the first 4 that were not done. Anyway, hi there. I don't remember. I'll have to look at the recording. But the cool part is this is still the state that I've updated locally that hasn't synced to the server yet. So when I enable connection again, I'm going to get this change from adding a demo to do January 9 to the title. And then I'm also going to, look at that, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Perfect. I'm going to also get the title change, and it's going to be flipped from done to not done. So here we go. It happened, so you'll have to believe me. Boom. Pretty cool. All right, now if I go into offline mode, I could probably even do something like this. Go to offline mode, which will flip my recording, which is fine. And we're going to say offline to do added. There we go, and we're going to add one here. Offline to do, well, the Mac app was online, but we added a to do in the Mac app while the iPhone app was offline. Okay, and that syncs immediately. And then we're going to mark as complete the big long ones right here. And then we will close out, open up. You don't have to. I'm just demonstrating that stuff remains. I can even add another one from the phone. The timestamps are a little wrong, but I'm okay with that. There we go. Okay, now I resync, and I'll just go ahead and mark these other ones as done. And then we will see what happens. Comes back online. I think that worked. I'm doing too much, I can't tell. But then, yeah, there's offline mode. Add another one from the phone. Offline to do while the Mac app is online. Yep. A to do while offline. I don't remember if this one was supposed to be done or not. But anyway, there we go. There's offline mode. And that works with all the different entities. I'll just show a little bit more of a demo here. What a great UI. Microblog. Post. There we go. Bob wants to make some posts. Oops. Bob wants to make some posts. Post. Immediate. Those posts are showing up over here. You've got comments. They're not showing up yet in this recursive loader thing. This demo kind of sucks. And I don't think it actually works that well. So that's a bug somewhere. But offline mode is working. Good day.